I'm Colonel Brian Denaro, Program Executive Officer for Space Sensing at Los Angeles Air Force Base, working at Space Systems Command. This week we're in Cape Canaveral preparing for the SBIRS GEO-6 launch. We have an entire team of integrated contractors, airmen, and guardians who are focused on getting this satellite on orbit. So this last satellite in the SBIRS constellation is going to be delivering unparalleled capability for the joint warfighter. This satellite and the rest of the SBIRS satellites are capable of detecting missile threats and launches across the globe at a moment's notice.
So immediately, I'm really looking forward to the fact that we're going to be launching and deploying GEO-6 into its intended orbit. We're going to go through the deployments of all of the solar arrays and the other deployables on the asset, and we're going to be calibrating this. And the real advancements that we've made in this mission area, GEO-6, the intended time frame for doing that is about a third of the time that we did from GEO-1. So between all of our industry partners in aerospace and the government team, we've really figured out how to get this thing calibrated and into operations much faster than we ever were able to before. This is the last SBIRS in the constellation. There have been 5 GEO satellites that have been launched so far, and this is the 6th of them, and that will complete the run for all of the SBIRS GEO assets. It just means that we're done with production. However, SBIRS is on orbit right now. It is performing the missile warning mission. It's a 12-year design life satellite, and the constellation is very healthy and consists of not only the Defense Support Program satellites, but also the space-based infrared satellites. While DSP was one generation, this is the next generation. And after this, there will be a follow-on generation called the next generation OPIR, Overhead Persistent Infrared. So what we did is we took best of breed as we looked across the industry. And we leveraged the LM2100 bus in the Next Gen GEO program. We had already invested over $350 million in the SBIRS 5-6 bus in technology advancements. And so we were able to leverage all of those advancements in the startup of the Next Gen OPIR program. In addition, we leveraged high heritage piece parts in the sensor so that we did not have to go and do a deliberate development of some of the more complex components, like the focal plane arrays. Our adversaries across the globe, our near-peer competitors, consider the fact that they're being watched and we can see every single launch and attribute it to that actor. And so that absolutely impacts whether they're going to use a missile against the US or our allies.